Hello friends, are you tired of waiting for that smartphone that is truly next level? One that leaves the competition in the dust when it comes to performance, camera, and battery? If your answer is yes, then buckle up, because the phone we are about to talk about is going to cause an earthquake in the smartphone world. Yes, we are talking about the Nokia Infinity Pro 5G. It's rumored to feature a 400 megapixel camera, better than a DSLR, and the most powerful processor ever. This isn't just a rumor, this is real. Today, we are going to give you the full details on this monster device's complete features, price, and launch date. So don't miss a single second, and watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Features of the Nokia Infinity Pro 5G. Display. Let's start with the thing you look at the most, its display. The Nokia Infinity Pro 5G features a massive 6.85-inch QHD plus LTPO OLED display that comes with a peak brightness of 4500 nits. That means you can easily use it even in bright sunlight. But the real magic is in its refresh rate. You get a 144Hz buttery smooth refresh rate, and an ultra-fast 410Hz touch sampling rate. Gamers, get ready. This speed will give you the edge in every competitive game. And yes, an IP68 rating makes it incredibly durable, so you are ready for any adventure. Camera setup. Now, let's move to the feature that has shaken the world, the camera. The Nokia Infinity Pro has a triple rear camera setup, whose main sensor is a mind-blowing 400 megapixels. You heard that right, 400 megapixels. This is not just a number, it's DSLR level detailing and clarity. Along with it, you get two more powerful sensors, 50 megapixels and 48 megapixels. And for selfie lovers, a blockbuster 50 megapixel front camera. If you are a content creator, this phone is a studio in your pocket. Performance. Now let's talk about power. This phone is ready to take on any challenge. Beating in its heart is Qualcomm's latest and most powerful chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. Multitasking, heavy gaming, video editing, no lag. This processor will handle everything like butter. And it will come with the latest Android 16 OS. Battery backup. But for so much power, you need a monster battery too, right? The Nokia Infinity Pro features a gigantic 7800 mAh battery. And to juice it up, 100-watt super fast charging. Now use it all day long without worry, and fully charge it in the blink of an eye. No more charging anxiety. Price and launch date. Now comes the biggest question. What will be its price? So, according to leaks, its starting price in the USA could be around $799. And the launch date, it is expected to launch at the beginning of next year, meaning in the initial months of 2026. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech updates. See you in the next one.